how to use AI in customer service. I'm going to tell you how you can do it. It's pretty easy. Um, as you can see, this is just an inbox where you can handle and answer incoming messages from your customers through multiple channels like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or something like that, even email. And then you can create your own AI helpmate in there, which you first need to fuel with the knowledge from out your company, with PDFs or help center articles that will be synced. And then you're going to create the AI agent that is going to engage 24/7 on your customer channels. As you can see, you attach the knowledge base to it, you connect the communication channel to it you want to activate it on, and then you can test it yourself in Playground, just like this one. If I say hi, you can see the AI agent is now working on this specific channel. I hope you see how easy it is, and you can do it within a few seconds.